If you're considering drone power cleaning for your property, whether that's a data center, a university, a hospital, or industrial site, here are the three critical questions to ask before you hire anyone. Number one, are they licensed, insured, and operating under FAA Part 107? Look, this isn't optional. Drone cleaning isn't just spraying water. It's an aerial operation over active infrastructure. Make sure your vendor can prove an active FAA Part 107 certification. If they can't, you're the one assuming liability, not them. Number two, do they actually understand your facility's constraints? Not all properties are the same. A hospital can't have downtime. A data center can't have water intrusion. A historic facade can't be hit with high pressure. Make sure you ask, how do you adjust your cleaning methods for different materials? What's your protocol for protecting sensitive equipment or sealed systems? Have you worked on properties like this before? If they talk more about their gear than your environment, quite frankly, you need to move on. Finally, number three, what documentation will you receive before, during, and after the job? The best drone companies treat documentation as part of the product. You should get pre-inspection photos or scans, visuals of in-progress work, especially for hard-to-access areas, and then final reports or images for your records, stakeholders, or risk logs. If you're not getting that level of transparency, you're missing half the value.